Good evening. This is Channel Sunshine Auto Transport with bringing you a little fender bender for dumb truckers. That's right. They didn't close these lanes, but they closed the other ones back there. They closed 3 fucking lanes for nothing. They weren't doing anything. But look at this shit. This is insane. Let's see. We got one truck down on the left there, you know, taking a little dive. We've got another truck flipped over right in the middle lane. You know how it be, player. My goodness. The light is so blinding for me. Hello, Officer Kulos. How are you doing? Good evening. Oh, bananas. Hey, let me get that bumper. Damn. You know he did.